close to 1 year when ChatGPT was initially released on November 30th, 2022. I thought this video would be interesting to show what it's been like almost 1 year since the initial release of ChatGPT and to see what kind of jobs there are out there for ChatGPT prompt engineers. So today we're going to go on LinkedIn and apply for some jobs. And I'm feeling quite lucky because I got my velvet blazer and apply for some jobs. See what's out there in the market. As far as remote roles, very slim. One page, literally probably less than one page than what I normally see when looking for jobs on LinkedIn here. Now, today's a Sunday, so we will follow back up in 1 week to see what kind of responses I get from recruiters and kind of go from there. See if the job market's pretty competitive for some of these jobs. See if we can even land one of these jobs. So this one's in Chicago. ChatGPT developer with investment background. Not much of a developer. I would say I'm more of a prompt engineer, but hey, we'll give it a try. Take a look at this next one here. This project manager. Let's see. It's remote, full-time, entry level. Okay, I like that. Wow, it has been over 5 months in this job posting. Still here with over 50 applicants. Hi. It's a great way to start off. Project manager for ChatGPT, remote, contract, no H-1B. I'm assuming the visa, H-1B visa. Experience with ChatGPT. Yes, I even have I even use the app on my phone quite frequently. So yeah, we'll save that. Oh, I already saved it. Perfect. I'll get to that. AutoGPT side hustle expert. Well, I like to do a lot of side hustles, such as what I'm doing right here on YouTube, making some videos that I find entertaining and posting out to everyone finding it entertaining. So yeah, we'll apply to this one too. Let's see, ChatGPT expert and mentor. Yep, I've been mentoring my family to use it, so I'm gonna say yes. And generative AI, ChatGPT, HustleGPT, AutoGPT, expert and mentor. I think it goes back to the other one. The other one's San Jose. This one's San Jose. I'm not in San Jose. I'm in the complete opposite coast, but you never know. I can always apply and see if the recruiter is willing to work with me or if there's other opportunities maybe on my side of the coast, or I just work San Jose time. I don't know. You never know. A lot of these jobs, they can always change, but we'll see. So I will hit save. Well, it's been a little over a week from when I last did these applications, and I still haven't heard back from any of them, except for FUD, but I'll show those emails a little later. But funny thing about ChatGPT, the company that invented ChatGPT, or created ChatGPT, I should say, Sam Altman, the CEO, has been fired by the board of directors and has now joined Microsoft, or tentatively joining Microsoft. There's been talks about joining back to OpenAI, as many of the employees have threatened to leave the company. And now the board of directors are talking to Sam about joining back, and Microsoft's totally okay if that were the case, but it totally want to bring them on. And Salesforce is also looking at trying to poach Sam Altman. It's just been a whole mess. But the funny thing is too, I also tried applying to being CEO of OpenAI, and yeah, I just couldn't find the opening. So, oh well. It looks like Sam got it in the bag. But yeah, doesn't look so great right now for prompt engineers to apply into the market, especially after a year of ChatGPT being out there in the wild. I would recommend, if you want to be a part of that next journey or that next evolution of AI, you would probably want to be the first one to hop onto it. A year later, it kind of shows here, you're going to be left behind. There's not much out there. So maybe be on the search, put on filters, get alerts sent to your phone via email, text, anything, if you really want to be a part of this journey. Now, if we look at the email that I got through FUD, it doesn't seem so promising. They had me go through their app to apply to this side hustle gig economy, if you would. I went through the app. you just get a ton of notifications through people that are just trying to make ends meet, making side hustles. And particularly whenever I keep thinking of FUD, it's fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I'm not really thinking of side gig or really trying to, bring in side income and stuff through this. The only thing I could see a lot of people joining FUD are people that know how to cater to communities and growing within using courses or other merchandise to kind of sell upon and then make it that way. But I wouldn't really advise for this. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or have any other suggestions for me on AI or anything Web3, leave it down in the comments below. And yeah, let me know if you like this video, drop in a like and subscribe to find out more. Thanks.